Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the Yearn Finance, and do I got a video for you today? Oh man, I've been looking at like what coin I'm gonna do today, and because I figured out like last week I had this thing going on. I was thinking like I'm gonna do one coin once a week, and then every week I'm doing on the same day the same coin. That way we can get the repetition and stuff. And I like it took me 5 days, but I figured out like this not working out because you have to do the coins on bad days and nobody wants to hear the bad news. So no more bad news. So right now what we are doing is finding coins that got good news. So when you see my video, I can promise you it's got good news. I say Bitcoin because Bitcoin always got the Bitcoin Sunday service video on Sundays. So we're gonna do Bitcoin regardless of good or bad news. But every other day, only good news on altcoins. And today it's Yearn Finance. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe the video at the end of the video if you like this. Okay, let's start. So basically I did a video on Yearn Finance like maybe a week ago, something like that. Let's see where I did do the video. See this big candle over here? See, can we do it like this? I think we can do it like this. Right? No, we cannot do it like this. Anyways, I did the video on this candle right over here. It was a big ass candle with a big wick on top, and it was a breakout out of the wedge over here. There was a wedge here. I can try to draw it again. It went to something like this. The wedge, it was nice wedge, you know. I think I was saying like I don't know exactly how to draw the wedge, maybe something like this. It was wedge, then we went under the wedge, got up, and then I made the video and I was saying this is the real thing, this is the breakout. And now you can see this kind of bull flag pattern forming, and I think we just got out of the bull flag pattern, and I'll show you why. I'll show you my technicals why I think we got out of the bull flag pattern, and now we are expecting another move up like and I tried to figure out like where is the next target to like price target, price prediction target. Where are we going to next? I'm gonna try to show you that. So where are we gonna start? Well, let's start where we left off last time. If you watch my last video, I said exactly what's gonna happen. I'm not saying told you, so I'm just saying like I said, and I think it's nice. Let's put some moving averages. I said we're gonna follow this red line over here. That's the 20 moving average. We're gonna follow the line because we are right here. No, actually we were not on this line. We were here when I was making the video. Retesting the 200 moving average, the purple one, 200 moving average. We are retesting, and I said we're gonna retest this, go up, come down, wait for the 20 to pull up, and then we're gonna shoot up. That's exactly what happened over here, as you can see. Shoot up, and now what's happening in this bull flag is we are waiting for the moving averages to pick up to the price and push the price higher up. So why am I saying that like this is the decisive moment? Well, first of all, there's some kind of pattern, some kind of triangle pattern forming. You can see it, right? And you can just draw the lines over here, and you'll see the pattern. You will see what I'm talking about. You'll see what I'm talking about. You see it? See that it's out of the pattern, but but people ask like, if we broke out of the triangle, why are we not mooning like 10,000%? Because that's not always how it works, you know. That's not always how it works. This nice triangle like this. Okay, what's happening now? We are retesting this, the resistance as a support, and I think we're gonna do that. You see how nicely here we went up and went down. We're gonna go to 1 hourly. I'm gonna show you. We can do it right now. See here, went up and now retesting as a support. Now, if this holds, if the support holds, we are going higher. If the support holds, we are going higher, and I think it's actually going to hold. The support is going to hold because the old moving averages are here. Look at the 200 moving average. This 200 moving average on the 1 hourly, and it's picked up to the price. That means that something is soon going to happen. It's not going to take a lot longer. Trust me. This is gonna be really quick, and this video is gonna blow up. Why? Because when stuff blows up, everybody comes watches my video. I found the perfect formula for YouTube algorithm to support my channel. You know, find good stuff that's gonna moon, make the video just before it moons, and everybody comes to your video and like, hey man, how did you know? You know, Yeah, you know, I'm just saying that that's my thing right now. Make videos about stuff that's just about the moon. And Yearn Finance is just about the moon, just about the moon. So last time I did a sushi video. If you want to check that out, that was on Saturday, because that's the day I figure out you know, I cannot do a video about betting, because I did 2 videos on Phantom, you know, and people hate me for it because I'm saying Phantom is dying. Because technicals are bad, you know. I didn't want to make a Phantom video, but I was thinking like, yeah, it's the Phantom Day, I should make the video about it, you know. But nobody wants to hear bad news, and my thinking right now is like, if you cannot make a video about good news, just don't make video at all. Okay, so this is good news. This is good news. We are testing now the resistance as a support, and the 1 hourly it looks just great. It just let's draw down the bottom support somewhere around there. Depends on how you draw it, which wicks you use. There are too many wicks on the 1 hourly. Maybe we should go to 4 hourly, try to pick up some nice wicks over here. Yeah, something like this maybe. Yeah, that's some kind of, maybe down here, maybe someplace, doesn't matter. We are not gonna test the bottom support of the triangle. Anyways, we are in the triangle, we are going up, there's a bull flag. We are just exiting the top resistance now and retesting as support. So take that as a big sign that this is actually gonna happen really soon, especially because other coins are also going up, so this has to also goes up. And Yearn Finance has been bleeding for, you know, a long time, and it's time for it to reverse. Now let's clean this a bit, pick up the RSI and see what we can get out the RSI. I haven't checked the RSI, so I don't know actually what's happening with the RSI. It looks like it's also getting triangle, but there was divergence here. You can see it. This is 4 hourly, so divergence is already played out. This was divergence. You can see this price over here, the fall price. That's the correction of the divergence, and that's played out. So we don't have to watch that anymore. Else there's nothing. There is divergence over here. Price is going down, but the RSI going up. That also meant that we are going up. It doesn't mean we are going up. It just gives us something. More confirmation about bullishness that's coming. And if people have been watching the RSI and divergence, they might have been able to catch the bottom if they are the kinds of traders that trying to catch the knife and stuff like that. That's their thing, you know. So that's it. But look at the 4 hourly. We can see clearly on the 4 hourly that price is holding the 20 and 50 moving average. 50 moving average is very important for 4 hourly. And we see we are getting the cross between the 100 and the 200 moving average. I don't know, that's not the golden cross. The golden cross is over here, 20 and 200 moving average. So you had the golden cross over here, and now it's coming for the 100, 200 cross to happen. All signs are saying that we are bullish, we are in uptrend, and this is good to go. Yeah, you know, there's no bearish news right now. The RSI is as it should be. Let's go into the daily and see if there are any thing we should be worried about on the RSI. Prior here, not much happening. Everything looks it should, and on the weekly there is no data. So we are just looking at 4 hourly for data, and there is actually not much. So let's look at the MACD and see what MACD is telling us right now. And you can see the 3 histograms, 1, 2, 3, is getting smaller and smaller. So the lines are getting closer and closer, and you can see here that we actually got the bullish cross. We got the bullish cross right over here. What's that? This is 4 hourly. This is 8 hours ago. 8 hours ago we got our bullish cross just over here. Let me put it down the line. This is the bullish cross. This is the bullish cross, and this is also the line that confirms the oh my god, look at this. That's bad, man. That's bad. It doesn't. No, it's not bad, man. It's not bad. Because it's not closed. This is, you see this line over here. Now we can talk. Now I can teach you something. This is called bearish engulfing candle. Now, if this closes here, right? This is very bearish sign. That means we are not out of the triangle. It doesn't mean we are going down to 0 or something like that. It just means that right now we are not out of this triangle. You can see the triangle over here. I said we are out of the, let me remove this line so you can see the better. Let me remove some moving averages. We don't need we're gonna keep up the MACD. Okay, so you see the resistance line, we got above it, and now we have the bullish, bearish engulfing candle. And this is, if this closes as engulfing, closes, that means in 3 hours and 25 minutes. If in 3 hours and 5 minutes it closes on its engulfing candle, then both of these candles you can just forget about. You don't have to even think about it. Then this still becomes the resistance we have to look for, and then the support down here is still in play, and we have to watch for the price to do something more before it actually breaks out. If this actually holds the way it is, like if we get the bearish engulfing candle, if we get it, but that's 3 hours and 25 minutes. So will that happen or not? That doesn't have. You see here it already starting to pick up a bit. The thing you want to watch for is if it's gonna close above the resistance or not, because if it closes above the resistance, it means it's gonna stay there at least for a while. It's good. It means it broke the resistance, it stayed. So the second candle after the breakout is really important. Let's look at this move on the hourly, and you can see on the hourly it also got back in the triangle, but the hourly is closing in 24 minutes. So we still got 24 minutes to get about 18,265, and I'm not gonna hold this video for 25 more minutes, but I'm just saying that's what you're gonna watch out for. And my prediction is we got here higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So as long as this candle doesn't get below this point over here, 16,575, we are very, very bullish. If it breaks the this low over here and then starts to breaking other lows like this one over here at 16,090, that's very bearish, very bearish. But as long as it keeps above this target over here, down here 16,575, bullish, very bullish. So it can get back into the triangle, doesn't have to, it can, but then if it gets back in the triangle, it means it's not immediate future, it's gonna go pump up. But we are still in the triangle, all the technicals are very, very bullish, so keep that in mind. The thing is, we are just trying to find out when it's gonna pump. I thought it was gonna pump because I thought it was gonna hold the support. It still got 23 minutes to get back above the 1828, whatever this price is. Let me see. It's at 18,265. So if it gets above the 18,265, 265, all good, all good. So that's 22 minutes, and the 4 hourly, that's even more important than the 1 hourly. You got 3 hours and 22 minutes to get above 18,265, you know, so all good. And let's look at the daily. Yeah, not much to look at the daily. Anyways, now you know we are really bullish. So the question now is, how much are we going to pump? And I got a resistance for you that I think it's important. I think it's important, and we gotta watch that. Okay, so I think there are two lines. Let's clear all of this. I think first line should be the bottom here, and that's at 21,160. But it's just the maybe no, this I don't think it's this one. I think actually this is the line we're actually trying to cross now. This is yeah, because you see here on this candle over here, it touched it, it went back to it, it held the support here, it held the resistance there, and now it's resistance here. So once we break 19,415, we are really gonna be bullish. So this actually can be a big triangle that we are trying to get out of. Big triangle that we are trying to get out of. And if we zoom in on the 4 hourly, yeah, that might be it. Okay, so we got still some way to go. Not bearish, very bullish. It's just not gonna happen today. It's just not gonna happen today. It might happen today, and it would be nice to happen today, but I think it's just gonna slowly creep upwards. Because I was looking at this triangle over here, man, that was such a nice triangle. It's still, I mean, if it gets above this triangle, it has to test this resistance over here at where's the resistance at? Let's put a number on it. 19,425. It's 19,415, but yeah, it's in ballpark. 19,425. Once it breaks 19,425, that's also the top over here almost. You are bullish as you know what. But right now we are in this big triangle, but the smaller triangle over here, it looks like it played out. It looks like it's gonna take a few more days. Yeah, a few more days. At most 1, 2, 3, 4 days. At least this week it's gonna pump, be above 19,425. So when actually, I'm not quite sure, because there's nothing bearish about this. The only thing bearish you can see here, it's not bearish, is that histogram is going down. So we might get some kind of it's not pullback. The histogram is going down, but the price is going up. So this is actually quite bullish because it's a divergence between these two. So yeah, I'm really bullish on the Yearn Finance right now. Anyways, I said the price prediction after it breaks this target over here. Let's clean it up. Price prediction is gonna be this one here. These 3 weeks are really important. See here, it touches this week over here. There, and then it goes up, and this is the target of here. Now it all depends when it hits the target, because the line is going in an angle, right? But let's say it jumps today to this target and then maybe uses, I don't know, maybe 10 days. Let's see, 10 days, that's over here. Somewhere this, yeah. So this is between 28,940. Can we put a price so you can see this here? 29,050, and the top line is 36. So let's see about 30,000, give or take 30,000. That's the price target we are looking at right now, and that will give us around. How much money are we making? That's what everybody wants to know. If you buy right now, we are getting at least 64%. That's good. That's decent. 64% is decent. I mean, this isn't an altcoin that's on 3rd page on CoinMarketCap, you know. So you're not getting the 400%, but 60%, 60 whatever, 67%, 64%. That's decent. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you will come back and watch more of my videos. Like I said, from now on, we only do good feel videos, good news all the time, except Sundays, because Sunday is a Bitcoin Sunday service, and hopefully we're gonna get a lot of good Sunday Bitcoin videos. So subscribe to get that. Like the video if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Don't lose your money, as Warren Buffett says. Lots happening, man. Lots happening.